Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to password protect Wix websites. To start this tutorial, open editor.wix.com over at your internet browser. Now, once you're here, on the left side, there will be options that we will need to use. First, let's go to Pages and Menu. Over at About, let's click on the three dots. In here, on the gear icon that says Settings, tap on it. And then go to Permissions. Then go to Password Holders. In here, you will be able to set up your page password. Make sure it's a hard one. And then only a select few that you trust will have access to this password. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.